Hey guys, what's up? This is Shivari from eGadgets for you, and by now you have already seen the title and the thumbnail of this particular video. And yes, I have the Amazon Fire Stick TV with me, and in this video we will unbox it, set it up and show you how to use this particular thing. But before doing so, let me tell you that till date I was using Chromecast, the Google Chromecast, and of course I have this particular video in my channel. I was using that particular thing, but currently it seems that since technology is evolving with time to time, and yeah, a lot of evolutions has happened in technology, so yeah, I think maybe in this point of time it's good to go with this with the Amazon Fire TV stick, and it's a new 2021 edition. So let's get to it at once. So guys, this is the Amazon Fire TV stick with me, and if you watch it closely over here, they have given you this particular option over here to open the box from here. So what I'll do is that I'll go ahead and open this, and yeah, this particular thing reveals the box. First of all, you get this particular remote, which is actually Alexa enabled. You will see the Alexa switch over here. The cables, this is of course a power cable that I'll show you how to plug in and use this particular thing. This is the connector. This is actually the HDMI port connector over here. You will see the HDMI adapter to USB. Okay, the HDMI to HDMI adapter over here. We get this particular thing. This is the Amazon Fire TV stick. This is the main thing, the main weapon that we will use, and I'll show you what to do. And yeah, that's pretty much it. So these are the things, as you can see, that comes around with the box. And yes, along with that you also get a quick start guide and instruction setup and everything. So let me just go to my television and plug in this particular thing and see how it performs and how it works. So guys, I have changed the camera angle over here, and I am in front of my television right now, and I do have the Fire Stick with me over here, and you will see that it says power over here. If you watch minutely, yeah, it's focused. So you see that power point over here. So this particular cable that came along inside the box, you will see that this particular end have this USB A type over here. So the USB A type A, I'll just insert it over here like this, and this is a USB part of that particular thing. And what I'll do is that I will put the USB part towards the back of my TV as well, because I have a separate USB port for that particular thing as well. So I'll show you. Let me just change the camera angle again. I will show you again. So I am at the back of my particular TV. You will see over here I have two HDMI ports over here. So the HDMI port, this particular one for the end of the Fire Stick TV actually will go over here, and you will wondering that what this is for. This is actually a USB port over here. USB port is over here. So see, I have this particular USB hub with me because I am also running a sound bar that requires power from the USB point. So what I will do is, so this particular USB end of the Fire Stick TV, I will put it inside this particular the USB hub actually. So yes, I am putting it over here. I'm very much cramped for space over here, so I'm just holding it with the camera in one hand and doing the stuff with the other hand. So yeah, please bear with me, but yeah, it will be an easy tutorial for sure. And now let me show you this HDMI this HDMI end of the Fire Stick TV, the Amazon Fire Stick TV should go over here, but you will see that it's cramped for space over here. I cannot insert it particularly. So for that reason, what they have done is that they have provided a extender over here straight out of the box. So what I'll do is that this HDMI end actually, I'll insert it over here, and using the other end of the extender, I will insert the Fire Stick TV to that particular point. So let me do it and show you, because it's very cramped for space over here. Yeah, it's very tough to hold the camera in one hand and do the things with the other hand. Okay guys, one more thing that I have to show you over here is that this particular adapter also comes along straight out the box. You remember that the USB point that I have actually inserted in the back of my TV using a USB hub that I had. So I have actually connected it for the power source from there directly. But instead, what you can do is that you can use this particular adapter also if your TV does not have a USB port. But since mine has one, so I have used it. I'm hoping that it will work that way, and I will not need this particular adapter. Anyways, we will see. And also straight out of the box, these two batteries comes along. for the particular remote. I will insert the battery over here and I'll show you. So yes, as you can see over here, I have set up the Fire Stick over here using the extender, and yes, everything is set up also here. I have done some cable managing, although this will be the back of the TV, so yeah, it's a mess over here, but once you are seeing the TV from the front, you won't be able to see these particular things. Anyways, let's now power on the device and see how it works. So yes guys, what I've done is that I've switched on the TV, but I have inserted it in HDMI 1, so I have to change it to HDMI 1, and let's see. Yes, oh my god, what is that? I'm sorry, I'm not familiar with this particular language. So what I have to do is that I will insert the batteries that came straight out of the box into this particular remote, and let me see how it happens and performs after that. So yes guys, I have inserted the battery in the remote over here, and you can see in the TV it says Fire TV. Press to start. Okay, this is a button that is asking me to press over here. This is a button. I'm not sure whether yeah, it's focusing now. This is the button, this particular button. So I'll press it, and yeah, it came to the setup page over here. As you can see, English United States. So I will select OK. Okay, yeah, and let me tell you the big centered button over here. Let me again focus it over here. Just yeah, this is actually the OK button, and this is for the swiping right, left, and yeah. So over here it says Fire TV Stick will restart in a few moments. Your Fire TV Stick is powering off. So yeah, it's restarting. No signal. Wait for a bit. Yeah, it shows Fire TV over there, and installing the latest software. Till now guys, I have not done anything. I've just inserted the Fire TV Stick. I'm sorry, I've just inserted the Fire TV Stick in the HDMI port, supplied the power with the USB hub that I've already had at the back of my TV. If your TV again does not have this particular USB point, or you do not have the extra USB hub point over there in the back of your TV, so you can go ahead and insert the USB point to this particular adapter that is provided to you straight out of the box. But since I had it, so I did not use that particular adapter. Now it's installing. I will be back once the installation has been done. Okay guys, still the installation is going on. Let me show you what is there in this particular remote. As you can see very clearly over here, this does have our dedicated Prime Video button over here, the Netflix button, the Amazon Music, and the apps button over here. So yeah, this is the difference. The latest version of the Fire TV Stick actually comes with this particular dedicated button. The ones previous to this particular version had this particular buttons over here, and not the dedicated buttons for Prime TV, Netflix, Amazon Music, and the apps over here. Apart from that, you get this particular big rounded one. This particular rounded one, actually let me focus. Yeah, this rounded button is actually to select, and yeah, over here you can swipe to the left and the right. And the blue button over here, as you can see, this is a dedicated Alexa button. I'll show you once the setup has been completed. We can talk to Alexa and set up the things, and of course this is a power on and off button, and pretty standard buttons. Apart from that, you get the back button, the home button, the menu button, fast forward, pause, stop, volume up and down, mute button, stuff like that. So very basic, easy to use remote. Okay guys, as you can see that once the latest software has been installed over here, the Fire TV Stick restarts. Okay, it says Fire TV with the sound, as you can hear also. Okay, as you can see that it's saying checking for updates, downloading the latest software. So it's just plug and play. You don't need to know. I have not done anything as of yet. Setting up the Chromecast for the first time, yes, it indeed required a lot of work on my part, but yeah, over here it's just plug and play. That's the advancement of technology that I was saying at the start of the video. Okay, now it has actually detected my Wi-Fi on its own, and yeah, it has logged into the Amazon account. This is the Amazon account that I have had. I actually have the premium membership for this particular account, belongs to my wife. Yeah, so yes, continue. Checking for backups. Okay, it says parental controls allow you to require a PIN before playing content from Amazon Video over the Air TV, launching apps. You know what? I am cool with enabling the parent controls. Let me show you how to do that, because I do have a 4-year-old son, and yes, enabling the parental controls is an absolute necessary nowadays. Press to show the PIN. So yes, what I have done is that using this particular middle portion of the remote only, I have accessed the numbers that were showing on the screen, and yes, I have actually given a parental control pin using this middle button over here only. Okay, now it says parental controls is enabled. You have enabled parental controls. The following default protections are now turned on and can be changed in settings, preferences, parental controls. So yeah, let me put okay. Preparing your remote for setup. Yeah, what brand of TV do you have? Okay. Oh yeah, here it is. It says Videocon. So yeah, I select that. We will be playing music during the next step. Please make sure the volume is turned up, then continue. Yes, the volume is turned up. With your finger pointed to TV, toggle the volume up and down button. So yes, see, I am doing it. Volume up. With the Fire TV remote pointed to your TV, toggle the volume up. Did the music volume change and come out of the expected device? Yes, it did. Your Fire TV remote is now successfully set up. Okay. So introducing the all new Fire TV experience, the new main menu, personalized TV profiles, decide what to watch with find. Got it, man. I am eager to see the startup screen and play something on the TV for the first time. Yeah, okay, but yeah, why not? My wife is watching. Here it is. Okay, my son was excited, so you can hear his voice in the video as well. As you can see, this is the Prime TV setup that we have over here, and let me just play something. Okay, yeah, why not? Okay, the parental control is set up, so yes, I have to give that. Oh, sorry, it's a wrong pin I have entered. Yeah, so I have checked it. Knowingly, I have inserted a wrong pin, and yes, it was not working. I like it. Now I have inserted the correct pin. Hope so it works. Here it is. It's working. I cannot play this particular video due to some, yeah, you know, the privacy policy. It's utterly bad in YouTube. So yeah, I have to go away from there. But yeah, you can see that yeah, it was playing. Now again, what I will do is that let me come here to Sony Live. I have the premium subscription for this as well. I need to make sure that how to set up my account, because yes, it's a different account that is set up with Sony Live over here. But you know what? Let me just go ahead and ask Alexa to do something. What I will do is that yeah, for this particular part, I'm coming in front of the camera again. This is Alexa button. Alexa, play Hotstar.
Here you go.
Oh yeah, yeah. As you can see that yeah, it has actually detected Disney Hotstar over here. So yes, I have selected Hotstar, and yes, it's actually playing Hotstar. Oh sorry, yeah, the Hotstars are over here. It's asking for download. What I have to do is that I have to set up this particular accounts, because I have a premium subscription with Hotstar as well as with Sony Live as well as with ZTV. I have with Voot. Yeah, rest of the things I don't have. So yes, I have to set up this particular thing. Voot Kids also I have. Okay, there is a Bengali streaming that says Hoi Choi, personal favorite of my wife. I don't see it. Geo Cinema. Yeah, I do have some premium subscriptions of this particular scenarios. I will log into my accounts and yeah, I'll see. So guys, I think this gives you a fair bit of an idea that how to say use and set up the Amazon Fire TV stick. You can see that it's pretty simple, pretty easy to use, and it's plug and play. I have not done anything extraordinary out of the box. I've just plugged into the right connections. It has automatically detected my Wi-Fi. It has automatically signed into my Amazon account, the premium account that I have, and yeah, it's playing. It's playing like that. It's super easy, damn easy. And even Alexa, play YouTube. As you can see that yeah, it actually went to YouTube also. So yeah, that's it. Hope this particular video was helpful. If you have any queries, please drop them in the comment section below. The video of Chromecast had a 1 billion, more than 1 million views actually, and yeah, a lot of queries came for that particular video as well. So yeah, I'm sure a lot of video queries will be there for this particular thing also. And please consider liking this video, sharing with your friends and families, and of course, as long as you are here and this particular video was helpful for you, please turn on that subscribe button and the notification bell next to that, because that helps to keep you updated with the channel, latest happenings of the channel. That will be it guys for this particular video. Bye for now.